All right, so we've got posting one time a day at least, image, video, ideally one of each. You can post as much as you want. Stories can push people back to those posts. You could do fun thing like daily giveaways and other giveaways to get more people to engage with you and actually, be active on your page. All right, let's keep going. This is gold.
Yeah. So after, for example, that's like the foundation of the account, right? Now let's actually get into the distribution side of things. So there's like different ways that you can distribute the content. One of them is growth hacking. So growth hacking is basically just getting your post to trigger the Instagram algorithm to make your stuff go viral. Now, creating viral content is a tricky subject because the way I do it to create viral content, original at least, is that you see and you do the market research, which at the end of the day, this is what the foundation for everything is. In normal business, is the same way. So what I do is literally just go to my competitors page, go to the influencers page, whatever the niche is. If you're in camping, just type hashtag camping, see the top posts, see the top accounts, the accounts that have over 100,000 followers, see the content that's there, and then see what I call is BPP, or the best performing posts, which is the posts that have above average engagement. So if if an account of an influencer gets 1,000 likes per picture, and then you see a picture or a video that gets 2,000, that's a BPP. And then what you want to do is save it, either repost it and tag the original creator if you're a theme account or e-com store, or if you're a personal brand, you want to replicate that same content in your own way. So let's say, for example, you saw a Gary Vee video ranting about college, right? And he posted it right at spring break or right when they got out of college. What you need to do exactly the same thing, rant about college in your own way. What's going to happen if it worked for them, it will work for you. So you're literally just modeling success. It's not like rocket science. It's like, so that's one way, growth hacking. The second way is like, then you start seeing what hashtags are the influencers using, and you start using the same hashtags. Again, modeling success. If it work for them, it will work for you. As a general rule, you want to use hashtags that you can ranking, because hashtags are like keywords on Google. As a general rule, I would say between 200 to 300,000 users in hashtags, all the way to 1 million if you're starting out, and obviously depending on the niche. But that's a good base to start off. If you're, an entrepreneurship or marketing or whatever, probably hashtag marketing is not the best thing. But if you put hashtag marketing 2019, maybe that one is probably better. So just doing the market research in that area and seeing what hashtags are best to use. From there, that's like one side of the distribution equation. Now, let's say you actually want to scale that up. And you want to like, okay, I want to know and put money down and know how much traffic I'm going to get, right? Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is extremely underpriced. And it's crazy how much results you can get. One, for example, case study, an example that I'm going to show now, a rapper, right? His name is Dylan Jacob. Last year in July or something like that, I put about $350 in the ad budget. He gained over 10,000 followers in 24 hours.
Wow.
Right? And it was because the content itself, the content piece, I already know what worked. It had subtitles and it had an extremely clickbaity headline with a spelling mistake. And the spell mistake is important, and it was not on purpose. Basically what it said is like 16-year-old, or what I wanted to say, it was 16-year-old rapper freestyles, right? So that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah.
When designing whatever, I forgot one P in the word rapper, and instead of saying rapper, it says raper. So,
oh God.
Yeah. So the title said 60-year-old raper freestyles, which is not the most ideal scenario, obviously. But the comment section flooded with people with the grammar Nazis, as you know, saying obviously increased engagement. The post went crazy viral. He grew 10,000 followers in 24 hours. From there, he went on to be on the board twice with DJ Khaled, and he blew up completely. Now he has like over 180,000 followers, right? So he blew up a lot from that. So, but it was because I knew what influencers to use, what distribution network, right? I went on to @rap in his case. I knew that account has his target audience. I knew that, he was freestyling. The freestyle was crazy good. I put subtitles in it, so it was visually engaging as well. And obviously the clickbait headline helped to get a ton of comments in the comment section. So it blew up, right? So it was a combination of different things. It's not just like one silver bullet. It's like an engine. An engine is not just one piece. It's several pieces that work together to one specific goal. So for example, in your case, you can go to pages in the entrepreneurship niche. Maybe you have an amazing video where you give amazing content and value to maybe the newbie or something like that, or to the 25-year-old, which is typically the demographic on Instagram. Demographics on Instagram right now is beneath 35, 38 years old. As obviously the platform matures, the demographics will go up just like it did on Facebook. But right now it caps out about 35, 38. And what happens is like, if you're able to talk to that specific audience, they will listen to you. And then you basically use influencers to pay and just use them as a distribution network. As a general rule, in terms of CPM, you will pay about $1.50 to $2 CPM as a general rule for influencer marketing campaign.